Hello students, I hope you all are in pink of health and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are gonna go through some hard word meanings of this chapter 4. Chapter 4, the houses we live in. Okay, so what is our chapter name, students? Our chapter name is the houses we live in. Okay, chapter 4, the houses we live in. So in today's video we are going to see some hard word meanings of this chapter. So students, in our previous video we had covered this chapter, and today's video we are going to cover the word meanings of this chapter. Okay, the hard word meanings of this chapter. Okay students, so shall we start now, students? So the first word is protect. Okay, so the first word is protect. So what is the spelling of protect, students? The spelling of protect is P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Okay, repeat after me, students. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Okay, protect. Protect means to keep somebody or something safe. Okay, so protect means to keep somebody or something safe. Okay, so come to the next word, students. The next word is danger. Okay, so what is the spelling of danger, students? Repeat after me. D-A-N-G-E-R. Repeat after me, students. D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. Okay, D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. And the meaning of danger is the chance that somebody or something may be hurt. Okay, it means risk. Danger means risk. Okay students, so danger means risk. So what is the spelling of risk, student? The spelling of risk is R-I-S-K. Risk. Okay, R-I-S-K. Risk. So come to the next word, students, which one is comfort. Okay, so what is the spelling of comfort, students? The spelling of comfort is C-O-M-F-O-R-T. Okay, C-O-M-F-O-R-T. Comfort. Comfort means consolation. Comfort means, students, consolation, and the spelling of consolation is C-O-N-S-O-L-A-T-I-O-N. Consolation. Okay, it would mean the state of having everything your body needs. Okay, so I hope you understand. So move ahead, students. The next word is kinds. So what is the meaning of kinds, students? The meaning of kind is type. Okay, the meaning of kinds is type. Okay, so what is the spelling of kinds? The spelling of kinds is K-I-N-D-S. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds. Repeat after me, students. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds. And the spelling of type is T-Y-P-E. T-Y-P-E. Type. Okay, kinds means type. Okay, so it would mean a group a group whose members all have the same qualities. Okay, if any group has the same qualities and every member has the same qualities, it means that they are types. Okay, it calls types or kinds. Okay, so kinds means type. Okay students, is that clear? So come to the next word students. The next word is slope. Okay, so what is the spelling of slope students? The spelling of slope is S-L-O-P, slope. Okay, S-L-O-P-E, S-L-O-P-E. Okay, repeat after me, S-L-O-P-E, slope. And slope means spill. Okay, slope means spill. The spelling of spill is S-P-I-L-L. Okay, S-P-I-L-L, spill. Okay, so slope means spill. So come to the next word students. The next word is wild. Okay, the next word is wild. So what is the spelling of wild students? The spelling of wild is B-U-I-L-D. Okay, repeat after me students, B-U-I-L-D, wild. Okay, so it would mean construct. Okay, it would mean construct. So the spelling of construct is C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T. Okay, so repeat after me students, C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T, construct. Okay, so students, come to the next word. The next word is quickly. Okay, the next word is quickly. So what is the spelling of quickly students? The spelling of quickly is Q-U-I-K-L-Y, quickly. Q-U-I-K-L-Y, quickly. And quickly means fast or in a short time. Okay, so quickly means fast. Okay, so what is the spelling of fast students? The spelling of fast is F-A-S-T, fast. Okay, fast, spelling of fast is F-A-S-T, fast. Okay, is that clear? So come to the next word students. The next word is stilts. Okay, the next word is stilts. So what is the spelling of stilts? The spelling of stilts is S-T-I-L-T-S. Repeat after me students, S-T-I-L-T-S, stilts. Okay, S-T-I-L-T-S, stilts. And stilts means long poles. Okay, stilts means long poles. So what is the spelling of long poles students? The spelling of long poles is L-O-N-G, long, and P-O-L-E-S, poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. So repeat after me, L-O-N-G, long, P-O-L-E-S, poles, long poles. Okay, so stilts means long poles. Now come to the next word students. The next word is story. The next word is story. So what is the spelling of story students? The spelling of story is S-T-O-R-Y. okay. The spelling of story is STOREY, story, and it would mean the level of a building, okay. It would mean the level of a building, okay. So come to the next word, students. The next word is available, okay. The next word is available, okay, and the spelling of available is AVAILABLE, okay. The spelling of available is AVAILABLE, okay, available, and the meaning of available is obtainable, okay. So repeat after me, obtainable, and spelling of obtainable is OBTAINABLE, obtainable, okay. Now come to the next word, students. The next word is nearby, okay. The next word is nearby. So what is the spelling of nearby, students? The spelling of nearby is NEARBY. Repeat after me, NEARBY, nearby, okay. And it would mean far away, okay. It would mean far away. FARAWAY, okay. FARAWAY, far away, okay. So come to the next word, students. The next word is thirst, okay. The next word is thirst, okay, and the spelling of thirst is THATCHED, thirst, okay, and it would mean covered with straw, covered with straw, okay. So what is the spelling of covered with straw, students? So the spelling of it is COVERED, covered, and the spelling of with is WITH, okay, WITH, with, and the spelling of straw is STRAW, straw, okay. Is that clear, students? Thirst means covered with the straw, okay. So come to the next word, next, and it's the last word, okay. So it is attached, attached. So what is the spelling of attached, students? The spelling of attached is ATACHED, okay. The spelling of attached is ATACHED, attached, okay, and it would mean connected or joined, okay. It would mean connected or joined. So what is the spelling of connected, students? The spelling of connected is CONNECTED, connected, okay. The spelling of connected is, repeat after me, students, CONNECTED, connected, okay. Is that clear? So let's revise once, students. First one is protect. Protect means to keep somebody or something safe, okay. To keep somebody or something safe, okay, students. Next word is danger, okay, and it would mean risk, okay. Danger means risk, okay. And the third one is comfort. Okay, comfort means consolation. Okay, comfort means consolation. Next one is kinds. Kinds means type. Okay, kinds means type. Is that clear, students? So the next word is slope. Okay, the next word is slope, and slope means spill. Okay, slope means spill. Okay, come to the next word. The next word is wild. Okay, next word is wild, and wild means construct. Okay, wild means construct. Okay, move ahead and come to the next word, students. So what is the next word? The next word is quickly. Okay, next word is quickly. So it would mean fast. Okay, quickly means fast or in a short time. Okay, students, so you can learn any one of anyone. So the next word is stilts, and stilt means long poles. Okay, stilts means long poles. Come to the next word, students. The next word is story. The next word is story, and it would mean the level of a building. It would mean the level of a building. So what is the next word, students? The next word is available. The next word is available, and the spelling of and the meaning of available is obtainable. Okay, the meaning of available is obtainable. Okay, come to the next word, students. The next word is nearby, and nearby means far away. Okay, nearby means far away. Come to the next word. The next word is thatched. Okay, the next word is thatched, and thatched means covered with straw. Come to the next word, students, and the next word is attached, and attached means connected or joined. Okay, connected or joined. Is that clear, students? So I hope you understand. So keep in mind what all you have learned today, students, and here the homework for you all. You all have to write these all word meanings. Write these all word meanings in your PC copy. Okay, students, you all have to write and learn these all word meanings in your PC copy. Okay, so bye bye, students. Take care. See you in the next video.